Greetings. Once again, I've decided to go for a little campsite area down where I like to shoot pictures, right off the side of the road between Ceiba Playa and Champotan. I have found this area very productive for doing nice bird photography. I want to show you a little bit right now. Now, what we've been able to see so far today is, as you can see, well, I hope you can see, there's a great egret, there's some snowy egrets, there's a tern that's flying past right now. We have cormorants in the area, and this is a nice little place. I like to come here, bring my chair, a little bit of a snack. As you can see, I set up a little tent in the back of the truck, have a chair and an ice chest, and I make myself pretty comfortable. If I want to do a lot of things electrical, because I've given myself electric in the back of the truck, I also have a couple of solar panels that I hook up to make sure that my battery never goes dead. And as you can see, the truck just went by. We're right off the side of the road. Just a very nice, pretty area. Up ahead, I don't know if you can see, there's a little clearing like right in the center. We have a reddish egret over there, a couple of more snowy egrets. A little earlier, we saw some roseate spoonbills. They're not here right now, they left, but I think I've got some nice pictures, and if I do, I'll add them onto this video so that you can see. Anyway, this area is a favorite of mine. It's just a nice place to come and relax and just enjoy nature.